meantime, shift focus and speak of Robert Vadra. Now, once again, the summons that has now been issued to the businessman for questioning in the Haryana land deal case, as far as he has been calling it as foul play and conspiracy against him on two occasions, day before yesterday and yesterday, that he was questioned by the central agency. And Robert Vadra, meanwhile, has linked the ED summons to BJP's vendetta over when it comes to saying that the people there and his love for the people, as he's been voicing their concerns, is something that he believes that the BJP is misusing central agencies against him. So the Enforcement Directorate, once again, who had summoned when it comes to Robert Vadra, businessman, is concerned with the land deal in Shukopur village of Haryana's Gurugram. As far as his questioning is now concerned, he has now been asked to appear before the agency again.
ये जो ईडी का जो ये समन है, ये सारा 2019 में बात हो चुकी है। जो भी सवाल थे पहले दे चुका हूं। कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, कोई नई बात नहीं है और मैं किसी चीज से अवॉइड नहीं कर रहा हूं। सारे सवाल के जवाब दे रहा हूं। तो मैं तो बिल्कुल हर चीज स्पष्ट हो गया है। राजनीतिक प्रचार है बीजेपी का कि चार्जशीट दिया सोनिया जी राहुल को, मुझे बुलाया उसी दिन। तो ये दिखा रहे हैं मीडिया के द्वारा कि हम लोग कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं। ये कोई जनता जागरूक है, सब जानते हैं, सब समझते हैं। इन चीजों से कोई मतलब नहीं बनता है। इन चीजों से और हम मजबूत बनते हैं और कुछ नहीं है।
Well, Rishabh, good morning. He's been speaking at length as far as when it comes to over the issue and the case which the Congress party has come out to allege that it has taken over 17 years for the investigative agencies to probe the matter. Once again, we are told that Robert Vadra has been summoned for questioning.
Well, Amita, clearly defined Robert Vadra here, saying that it doesn't matter. He has been summoned for the third day in the row, and yesterday also he was there for hours. Yesterday he was accompanied by Priyanka Gandhi, who was at ED headquarters sitting in the waiting lounge for almost 2.5 hours, and then went back when there was a lunch break in the questioning. Today also Robert Vadra is coming to ED, the third day summoning in the row, and he's quite defined. He's saying that it is nothing but a BJP charge sheet. He clearly nullifying, dismissing the charge sheet that has been filed by ED against Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. Remember, in the AGL case, the Young India Foundation case, it is very clear that accused number 1 is Sonia Gandhi, accused number 2 is Rahul Gandhi, right, apart from other Congress leaders as well as the company itself. Now Robert Vadra putting out, attacking BJP, saying that the charge sheet is BJP charge sheet.
That there is no basis and any case as far as when it comes to the Haryana land deal is concerned, saying that he is like an open book and all relevant documents have already been presented before the probe agencies. It was yesterday on the second day when his wife and parliamentarian Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also accompanied Robert Vadra to the ED head office in the national capital. Rishabh, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. We'll keep an eye out on today's developments. Back after a short.